Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Mogo. Mogo is a Canadian financial technology company that offers various digital financial products to help consumers manage their finances. The company's mission is to make it easy for Canadians to achieve financial freedom. They provide a suite of products, including a digital spending account, a stock trading app called Mogo Trade, and personal loans. They also offer a free credit score check to help people stay on top of their credit health. One of the unique aspects of Mogo is its focus on sustainability and social impact. They have a program where they plant a tree for every Mogo card transaction, which is a great way to combine financial health with environmental responsibility. This focus on doing good while doing business sets them apart in the fintech space. Mogo is headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia. The company has been in operation since 2003 and has grown to serve millions of members across Canada. They are a publicly traded company on the Toronto Stock Exchange. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.